Guys, I hear a Riverline train down that way. Sorry, I need to cough. That was so fake, but it was also real. But I'm currently recording another video right now, and I have my Lionel L scale. I think that's what they are, model trains. So I'm just gonna be recording another video here. I'm here. I'm not actually here to rail fan, so but yeah, these things are gonna be meeting a real train for the first time ever. So just waiting for these crossings to activate. I'll probably just cut to when they do. Bro, I had a stuffy nose all day in school today. Well, after lunch, but not all day. Okay, none of them blew away, so that's good. Why are they slowing down? I mean, why is he slowing down? It's a guy in there, but why are they slowing down? Why is he, not they? I wonder how these model trains feel about meeting a real train for the first time ever.